Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Sunbeam heating pad flashing F. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Sunbeam heating pad here and you're seeing that F error code, or in this case it's flashing, well in this case it usually means that there's a problem with the power supply, wiring, or controller issues, or problems with the controller itself. Now, what you need to first do here is you want to check for any problems with the wiring. So in this case, first is you want to unplug your heating pad here for safety reasons, and just inspect the power cord and connection for any damage or loose wires. Now, if you see any frayed or damaged wires, you may want to replace them. So tighten any loose connections and ensure the controller is securely attached. Again, if you do see any damages on it, that's most likely the issue here. So you might need to replace that or get a new cord. Now, next is you might want to reset your heating pad. So just in case there's no problems with the wire. Now, again, you want to unplug your heating pad and disconnect the controller from the terminal. Wait for a few minutes to allow the system to reset here and rest. And from then on, just reconnect your controller, plug the heating pad back in, and turn it on. Now, if you see a flashing F error again in here, it means the problem is not resolved, but hopefully there are still a few steps that you can try. Now, next is you want to check for the terminal connection. So first, again, I want to plug your blanket here, disconnect the terminal cable, and use a knife to carefully expand the terminal block slit and pull it out. Now, undo the screw securing the terminal to access the inside. Use a multimeter to check the resistance and inspect the solder joints. Now, if you find any loose connections, repair them, reassemble the terminal, plug in the heating pad, and check if it now works. But obviously, if you don't know how to do this, I recommend you to not do it yourself. But if you do have experience working with wires, you can do this yourself. But if not, make sure to contact a technician or someone professional to do this yourself to avoid any problems. But yeah, so if none of those actually work, again, you could go and contact a professional for this one. So hopefully you can contact Sunbeam customer support for further assistance or troubleshooting steps, or in this case, possible replacement for the actual device. But yeah, so for now, if you're still having problems, avoid using the heating pad to avoid problems or accidents. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.